Today we're showing you a 2016 Kubota M7-131 premium tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat and air. And again, this is the premium version of these tractors. Very nice tractor. Has approximately 1,800 hours on it. The tractor is still in very nice shape here, as you can see. It does have new tires on it. We put brand new tires all the way around it. Has a front weight carrier on it as well. Corner post exhaust, the entry doors on both sides of the cab. It does have the bar axles back here. Also has the buttons on the fenders for the PTO 3-point and rear hydraulic outlet. See a little bit of damage here, scratches here in this back fender. It does have the mechanical cab suspension. 4 remotes back here. Has the 540 and 1000 PTO capabilities. Top link drawbar, stabilizer bars are all with the machine. Rear wiper, rear work lights, and again, obviously the bar axles. 18.4 R38 rear tires. It's a very nice, clean machine. Inside the cab, it does have the buddy seat. Has the air ride seat there for the operator. It's got the large touchscreen display center there. Powershift transmission, all your controls for your hydraulics, PTO 3-point, everything is right here at your fingertips, right on the armrest. Back behind you there, you've got some PTO selector levers, and then also your climate controls and your radio. It does have the visibility roof up, window in the roof there, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Very nice, very clean machine. Very nice tractor for the money. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.